Okay, hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to do task 4 of lab 1. So this task we want to make two executable files with same MD file but have different behavior. So we will use the approach that shows in the lab document. The key idea is we want to build two executable files as shown here. They have a same prefix with a different p and q and the same suffix. And we want to make sure the array x is the same as array y in the first program, and it's different for array x and y for the second program, so that they will run different branch of code. The first, we want to create our task for C. So the program we designed, as is shown here, you can design different code, but the key idea is we want to build two different arrays, and we use a loop to check whether the arrays are same. If they are the same, run good program. If they are not, run bad program. Okay, let's first create the files program here, and the first step is we want to compile this program. Okay, let's use GCC to compile task4.c. All right, we get this 8 out, and after that we want to create a prefix. Okay, so it's head C 4224 out. When you get the prefix, we want to generate those two files with different P and Q and the for prefix. Okay, so empty file called region dash P prefix dash O task4a dot. All right, this will take a few minutes, so let's just wait for those two files down. So after you create those two files, you will find the P and the Q part at the end of those two files. And next, we want to get the suffix and connect this suffix to the previous file. So the problem is if you use tail function we used before, it will automatically add a header to suffix. So in this case, I will delete this part in order to make array x and y to be the same. This is important, otherwise we cannot complete the task. Right, I will show you how to delete it. Okay. Yeah, it's still running. So the key point is you want to copy the P and paste to array Y to make those two arrays the same. And you want to make sure P is at the correct position. So I will show you how to make exactly array X and Y. Actually, we still have some bugs, and we will find a lot of more A's in array X. So we have to delete. In my machine, I count we have like 192 A's more. I need to delete all of them and copy this array to replace Y array to get the same. To get the similar desired program. Okay, nice. We get these two files. After we get these two files, we want to make our suffix. The suffix command should be till 43528.out to suffix. Okay. As I said, if you open the suffix, you can find that it automatically have a very long head. This is not what we want. We are going to delete this head. Delete. And if you try to save it, it will give you an error. This is actually a bug of this program. You have to use save as. Okay, let's just save it to the desktop. Save as the suffix 1. Alright, just save it. Okay, great. And after that, we want to add the suffix. Oh, it should be here. Add the suffix to the next file. Okay, concatenate task4a. For B, right? Now we have to do the trick. If you go to these two files, where it's another file should be. Oh, over here. Okay. So open this file. You will find the P and the Q at the position 4224 to 4351. Shows that 4224 to 4351. All right. Now you can see a lot of unreadable characters in a bunch of A's. Now we want to adjust the 9 Y's to 32 bytes. This is easier for my further analysis of this, how to paste those arrays. Okay. Yep, we got 32 bytes per 9. You can see that 64 A's before these two. So in my computer, I want to make this array X at the exact length of 400, and I find that there are actually much more A's. There are like is much longer. We have to delete 192. That's 6 nines of A's. So let me delete it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Delete all these A's. And the next I can do it in a fast way. We copy it and replace the A's over here. This is array Y to make those two arrays the same. Copy. delete array X, array Y, delete, okay, paste. Now we have two arrays that are the same, which is exactly we want in this figure, right? Array X and array Y the same. Alright, let's save this one as similar. We cannot save it. We can only save as. Save as. This stands for AAA. Alright. Okay. Now we have to adjust for BB. Same as this file, we make it at 32 bytes per line, and find the array X and the array Y. So this file has the same issue. It have much more A's than we want, so we need to delete 6 lines of A's here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, delete them. And we have to replace this array with the array in the previous binary to make those two arrays are not the same, but the suffix is the same for those two binaries. Okay, let's just delete the whole array Y in this binary. Right? Delete. And then we want to copy the whole array Y here. Make sure the file is the correct one. Copy. Right. Make sure you insert the correct position and paste. Alright. Now you will get exactly what we want, those two files. Let me save this one. Save it. Okay. And after you have done, you can check the result. We can first run them. You can make them executable. Okay, if you run the first program, it runs good program. And if you run the second program, it runs the bad program. And if you check the empty file value, they are the same. So we successfully created two binary files, executable files that have different behavior, and they have the same MD5 hash. So that's all for this the task 4, and is the end of lab 1. I hope you enjoy this lab. Thank you. If you have any questions, just send me email or Canvas message. All right, see you later.